Hello, what's up to my channel? Let's just it's your boy back in again with another vlog. So and what I'm going to do for this day is I'm going to react to the videos of BTS. I'm gonna react this video and the views is almost 64,000 million views, and they uploaded this in February 21, and it's almost 2 days from now. So a lot of vlogger reacting this video, so maybe I'm the only one not time. Okay, you see this #1 trending. What the fuck? So let's start. We're gonna react this. What I can say to this video. My god, it's hard to speak in English, man. So let's do this. Whoa, very nice cinematic, man. Very synchronized dance, man.
I can't understand what people are saying. 어느 장단에 맞춰야 갈지. 한 발자국 떼면 한 발자국 켜지는 shadow. 처음에서 눈을 뜬 여기 already. 좀 서울도 New York Paris. 일어난 이후 정리는 뭐. Look at my feet down. 나가면 getting charged. 흔들리는 건 이놈인가 아니면 내 작은 바퀴인가. 그래도 I know 서쪽의 앞으로 시감한 바람과 함께 날아. Hey na na na, 미치지 않으려면 미쳐야 해. Hey na na na, 나를 다듬고 이 뒤쪽 세상에. Hey na na na, can't hold me down 'cause you know I'm a fighter. 해발로 들어온 나를 난 감모. Put me and I'm gonna live it up. Got you wanna bring the pain on.
Very synchronized dance, man.
All the time, bring the pain on. Bring it on, it's got keep falling every
I like
day.
the tweaks, man.
Got you wanna bring the pain on. Bring the pain. 모두 내 피와 살이 되겠지. Bring the pain. 너 fear 받는 법을 알겠어. 작은 것들 breathe. 이거 어둠 속내 산소와 빛. 내가 날게 하는 것들의 힘. 넘어져도 다시 일어날
It seems I'm gonna dance too.
언제나 모든 그릇 미소 영원히 높이 땅이 닿지만 좀 거머쥐지 않는 내 손조차 끌어내보낸 좀 Bring the metal, bring the metal wood, bring the metal wood. 네가 말하던 네가 말하던 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a yeah. Hey na na na, 미치지 않으려면 미쳐야 해. Hey na na na, 나를 다듬죠 이 뒤쪽 세상에. Hey na na na, 에코노미 당겨진 너 I'm a fighter. 제발로 들어온 나를 난 감모. Find me and I'm gonna live it up. Got you right, bring the pain on, yeah. All the time, bring the pain on, yeah. Bring it on, it's like keep falling every day on another line. Got you right, bring the pain on, yeah. 날 고통이 있는 곳에 내 가슴 쉬게 하소서. My everything, my blood and tears. Got no fears, I'm singing I can't only die 'cause you know I'm a fighter. 약간은 심해서 기꺼이 잠겨. Find me and I'm gonna breathe it out.
Whoa, this again. Wow. man. On. Okay, that's all. So what I can say to this video is very synchronized dance, man, but I'm not actually totally fan of this BTS, but it seems there's so many vloggers and other what it called it one, and many of them reacting to this videos because of the #1 trending, and it's almost 64 million right now in just 2 days. My god. So so far so good, very good, very nice, man. I like the camera tricks and the dance, and also those people who act, I don't know what their name. Oh, very nice, man. So I am gonna end this right now. So if you have something to ask and to react another video, just comment down below. If you're not my friend, oh my god, it's so hard to speak in English, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm just reacting this Korean. Is this a Korean video or it's one? That's all. Oh my god. That's all. Thank you. Peace.